Yesterday you guys were working on creating a triptych layout, and we were having some issues actually getting some of the images to paste. So I'm going to go through and create the layout really quickly, and then I'm going to show you what I found that I think will solve that solution of the images not printing. So if we go up to View, New Guide Layout, we're going to do 3 rows. Our gutter is 0.3. The left side we're going to try 2 inches, and the right side we're going to try 2 inches. We're going to say OK. That looks fine. If you see here, I have already opened up a couple images. So what I'm going to do is go to, let me just make my screen larger. I'm going to go to Select All, or I can do Command A. And I'm going to do Command C to copy it. Then I'm going to go back into this, and I need to select my rectangular marquee tool. I'm going to select the area that I want, and I'm going to hit, let's see, Edit, Paste Special, and then Paste Into. And then this is going to be pretty large, so I'm going to do the free transform, which is Command T, and I'm going to drag down the size to where I want it, and then I can hit the check mark. So what I noticed is if it is not allowing you to paste it, you need to be intentional with which layer you select. So if you're going back into another image, you need to make sure you are selecting the background or whatever it's showing up as. So make sure you click here and allow it to be selected. And again, you're going to hit Control or Command A, Command C. You're going to go back into this triptych photo, use your rectangular marquee. You're going to edit, paste special, paste into. And again, Command T for my free transform tool. You can resize it, move it around. I'm not actually doing a triptych right now with the hand, feet, and headshots. I just wanted to give you a quick tutorial so mine looks different than yours is going to look. Okay, last one. Control A, Control C. Go back in. Rectangular marquee, edit, paste into, and again, Control T or Command T for free transform. Okay. Now if I go in to save this, I'm going to do File, Save As. And then triptych is fine, PSD is fine, but instead of going to downloads, I want to make sure that it is going to my Creative Cloud files. That way it's not taking up any room on my computer. So that looks good. I'm going to hit save. Maximum compatibility, okay. Totally fine there. Alright, so hopefully that works. If it's not working, just make sure you're going in and selecting the layers over here on that right side. And if it doesn't work, we'll just work on it on Monday. Be good for Miss Green. Thanks, guys.